Welcome to Divine Path 333. Today, we'll explore a practice that has been gaining popularity in the world of spirituality and wellness, using crystals to alleviate anxiety. This holistic approach not only offers emotional comfort, but also promotes a deep internal balance. Let's discover which crystals are most recommended to combat anxiety, how to use them, and the specific benefits they can bring to your life. Crystals have been used for centuries across a variety of traditions to promote healing and balance. In today's video, we'll introduce you to some powerful stones that can help calm the mind, reduce stress, and bring a sense of peace. If you're looking for natural ways to deal with anxiety, stay with us and discover how these crystals can make a difference. Let's begin our journey by exploring the most effective crystals for relieving anxiety. Each stone has unique characteristics that can be used in different ways to promote well-being. Ready to dive into this crystalline universe? Let's go. Stay tuned until the end of the video to learn how to incorporate these crystals into your daily routine and make the most of their benefits. Don't forget to check out the comments section for a special discount coupon on our crystal products. Subscribe to the channel Divine Path 333 and turn on notifications so you don't miss our tips on how to use the power of crystals to transform your life. The practice of using crystals as a means of relieving anxiety is a holistic approach that has become increasingly popular. Blue lace agate. Blue lace agate is known for its ability to calm the mind and facilitate communication. This crystal, often used to stimulate the throat chakra, helps express emotions clearly and is particularly useful in challenging social situations. Blue lace agate is available in many colors and styles, each bringing its own energy. To use this crystal, you can hold a stone during speeches or social interactions or wear jewelry such as bracelets or necklaces. Benefits: calms thoughts and emotions. Improves communication and self-confidence. Removes negative energies, promoting optimism. Citrine. Citrine, with its radiant energy, is excellent for transforming feelings of anxiety into positive emotions. This crystal is known to balance the solar plexus chakra and is associated with prosperity and joy. To use citrine, you can carry it with you in the form of jewelry or place it in places where you need a dose of positive energy. Increases physical energy. Improves emotional balance. Attracts abundance and prosperity. Chrysocolla. Chrysocolla is a blue-green crystal known for its calming properties. It helps ease anxiety, calm nerves, and is especially helpful during times of transition and emotional healing. Chrysocolla is strongly linked to the throat chakra, helping to communicate in a gentle and compassionate way. Benefits: relieves anxiety and calms nerves. Facilitates honest communication. Promotes peace in conflict situations. Amethyst. Amethyst is one of the most popular crystals for combating anxiety. Linked to the third eye and crown chakra, this stone helps connect the concrete to the divine, promoting a sense of peace and spirituality. Amethyst can be used in jewelry or placed in the environment to help calm the mind and improve sleep quality. Benefits: promotes spiritual and emotional balance. Helps with cell regeneration and hormonal balance. Improves sleep quality and provides serenity. Black tourmaline. Black tourmaline is a powerful grounding crystal that absorbs negative energy. This crystal is ideal for transforming negative vibrations into positive energies, providing a feeling of protection and security. It can be worn in the form of jewelry or placed in work environments to neutralize toxic energies. Benefits: absorbs and transforms negative energies. Provides spiritual and physical protection. Helps keep the mind focused and balanced. Smoky quartz. Smoky quartz is known for its grounding properties in helping to dispel panic attacks and anxiety. This crystal is often used to stabilize emotions and protect against environmental stress. It can be used as an amulet or in crystal grids to create an environment of peace and security. Benefits: dispels negative emotions and promotes security. Helps in overcoming fears and panic attacks. Strengthens the connection with the earth. Malachite. Malachite is known as the stone of transformation and is used to support deep emotional change. This green crystal is ideal for those facing fears and phobias, providing courage and renewal. Malachite can be used as jewelry or placed in environments to attract protective energies. Benefits: facilitates emotional and spiritual transformation. Provides courage to face challenges. Promotes protection and stress relief. Rose quartz. Rose quartz is the universal stone of love and is excellent for calming the heart and promoting self-care. This crystal is especially helpful for those struggling with anxiety related to interpersonal relationships and self-love issues. It can be worn in the form of jewelry or placed in intimate spaces to promote an atmosphere of compassion and peace. Benefits: promotes self-love and compassion, relieves emotional pain and trauma, improves circulation and heart health. Black obsidian. Black obsidian is a powerful protective stone that helps connect the user to the physical plane, providing a feeling of security and stability. This crystal is effective in removing negative energy and protecting against psychic attacks. It can be used as an amulet or placed in environments to strengthen protective energy. Benefits: protects against negative energies and psychic attacks, provides grounding and emotional stability, facilitates spiritual exploration and meditation. Prehnite. Known as the healing crystal of Archangel Raphael, prehnite is an excellent crystal for relieving fears and panics. It helps attract healing energies and protect the wearer's health. It can be used in the form of jewelry or as decoration to promote emotional and spiritual healing. Benefits: eliminates fears and panics, attract healing and protective energies, helps with spiritual evolution. Tiger eye. Tiger's eye is a grounding stone that helps stabilize emotions and promote confidence. This crystal is useful for facing fears and overcoming challenges, providing a balanced and positive outlook. It can be used in jewelry or as an amulet to provide courage and strength. Benefits: promotes confidence and emotional stability, helps face fears and challenges, relieves depression and elevates mood. Clear quartz. Clear quartz is a versatile crystal that helps clear the mind and regulate thoughts, especially in times of anxiety. This crystal can be placed in environments or used in jewelry to promote mental clarity and emotional balance. Benefits: helps to clear the mind and regulate thoughts, promotes emotional balance and spiritual clarity, facilitates peaceful and restful sleep. Moonstone. Moonstone is known for its calming properties and for helping with anxiety, depression and insomnia. This crystal is especially useful for improving self-esteem and can be worn in the form of jewelry or placed in the environment to promote an atmosphere of peace and tranquility. Benefits: relieves anxiety, depression and insomnia, promotes self-esteem and emotional balance, improves dreams and promotes fertility. Moldavite. Moldavite is known for its ability to elevate spiritual awareness and promote a sense of upliftment and optimism. This crystal is ideal for those looking to overcome feelings of isolation and find clarity in times of challenge. It can be used in jewelry or placed in meditation spaces. Benefits: promotes spiritual awareness and optimism, helps overcome isolation and find clarity, facilitates problem solving and appreciation of life. There are several ways to incorporate crystals into your life to alleviate anxiety. You can wear them as jewelry, carry them with you throughout the day, position them in specific environments or use them in your meditation practices. Each crystal has a unique energy that can be absorbed in different ways, depending on your personal needs. Regular and intentional practice with these crystals can make a huge difference in your emotional well-being, bringing a sense of calm, protection and balance. Experiment with different ways of using your crystals and discover which ones provide the relief and tranquility you are experiencing. Seeking out. If you liked this video and want to know more about how to use crystals to promote balance in your life, subscribe to our channel, Divine Path 333. Also take advantage of the special discount coupon in the description to purchase your crystals at a lower price exclusive. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your experiences and which crystals you use for anxiety relief. See you in the next video, and may your days be filled with peace and harmony.